Here we go!
Flood advisory. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of east central New York, including the following counties: Southern Greene and Ulster.
Oh!
When? Until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
How?
Additional details at 9:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kingston, New Paltz, Allendale, Saugerties, Oak Hill, Milton, Plattekill, Hurley, Woodstock, Highland, West Shawkin, Ola Bridge, Mount Trevor, Kenneth L. Wilson Campground, Kerhelgson, Woodland Valley Campground, Phoenicia, High Falls, West Hurley, and Napaneck.
I was literally playing Candy Crush.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Synopsis.